I don't know what I'm doing with my hands. Oh, I can't. One Piece chapter 977 came out this morning. Not the official release, but I'm very curious. Came out this morning. I found it and then fell back asleep. I found it. I'm like, I should record a reaction to this, and then I fell back asleep. I got knocked out. Party won't start now. You got Lola and Shifton meeting up. Gage Bangs on My Family, Volume 24. Lola, Shifton, sisterly reunion. I like doing the announcer voice where I just get higher and higher to a certain pitch. It reminds me a little bit. I take that a little bit from Torg from Borderlands. That sentence had too many syllables. Apologize. I'm sorry if that had to go Red Peak, right? Because me talking normally is somewhere in the green to yellow on my OBS. Me talking loud. I'm sorry if that peaked. The 10 are finally together. Jinbei! You really had us you fuck me. You really had us worried. My speech impediment. Fuck you, right? Fuck you. Go away. I'm trying to read. My apologies for my tardiness. I carried the wounded sun pirates and had a goodbye party. Jinbei, a warlord of the sea, our friend, gives me faith. Frankie, Jinbei. Jinbei really is an incredible helmsman. Really? Man that can get the best out of our ship of my dream. He is surfing with the Sunny. Pleased to meet you. Should we drink? Yes. We are aware we have no alcohol, right? No, but I can feel it. Where could it come from? Hey, Luffy don't know. I'd like to check over with you that you know the plan before we enter the island. Over there. Liar. Drop a cannon. You can't strategize with them. Yeah. It's the fucking minx. One of the three musketeers, the captain. I'd like to listen in on the full outline of the plan. During the war, we will serve as a vessel for Gozuki clan. I'll command the minx. Shishi Lin. I'm counting on you. Full power, Shishi Lin. It's very pretentious, but I'll lead the samurai. Boss from the shadow of Wano. Hiroguro, the flower. Focus on your fights. My fucking English, Jesus Christ. Thanks for the support, Boss Hiroguro. Be quick. Understood. I already told you that this isn't a hotel. Got it? Onigashima is the island lined with mountains. The only way to get in is through the main door. And they show the island, the big skull, and you have two routes, and Onigashima is on the back side of it. There's an entrance in the mainland, but there is a gate. Not gate. I believe they're called gates. Japanese gate on island, away from the island. That's the first thing you'll make contact with. The large skull in the mountain, and there's a castle inside. But you can see there's a center island inside that lake, and it goes into the skull. Why can't you just go through the front? Whatever. Thanks to the plan we've obtained, we know there's a passage in the back of the chateau. That's why. Okay. We will divide our strength in two, make them bypass the skull, so we can enter the castle by the secret passage and attack Kaio while he's drunk. I see. So that was the strategy Kanjuro heard of. What's the real one? Huh? He stumped you again! Dendro thinks so highly of Kinemon, but we can see that it's not the case. First of all, the enemy will know we planned the raid. The ones that they want to get rid of are you guys, the Red Scabbards, as well as me, Straw Hat, and Kid. Whatever plan you make, there will always be those two idiots up in front. Two idiots. Yeah, it would be Kid and Luffy. Luffy and Kid both rush into the situation. But we haven't really seen Kid fight in action since... I think it was Sabaody. Those idiots would make for a great diversion. Therefore, we can advance troops on both sides as intended. But these will also be bait. We understood the battle strategy by sending Kinemon and the others to finish it, but what would the Red Scabbards do? There is only a seaway. If our submarine bypasses the land, we can avoid the whirlpools and prevent us from landing. And I can send you there with my ability. It's good, Lord Dono, but must lend the troops. That's true. Then we will take the mountain route. One on the right, another on the left. We'll take on those that remain. We got it. We'll strike Kaido with all we got. Good, as expected. Plan is finalized. And fucking Kinemon is trying to fake smile, and because he knows that this is not what he wanted. Alas, nothing goes over your head. What a great leader. And Rhizome is not believing any of this bullshit. Hey, the Straw Hat boat is no longer there. What? An explosion in the mist. Was that Luffy Dono's voice I just heard? Oh no. I've been talked about the Guardians at the port. The port at the front of the island forms a small fortress. At the night of the Fire Festival, the soldiers celebrate there instead. If they figure out there's a raid, we'll become a burden. Luffy Dono. Crap. Did they get him? What? We just flash over to Luffy beating the crap out of people. Same thing with Jinbei and Zoro. Kinemon's shocked at this point. You then see Brook freezing people, Robin, Sanji, Frankie, all just beating up fools. But you have Usopp, Chopper, and Nami on the boat just looking at them. Usopp, what happened to you being a brave warrior at sea? Well played, guys. Good work. Not bad. Great start. Everybody's just shocked when they look past all these weapons. What's this port? If they had only talked it over with us. I clicked on the goddamn page. I didn't mean to click on the page. Hey, Kinemon. There were enemies, alright? Ha 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 ha. Hey, Masad. Where you get that from? I told you, I felt alcohol. That's why I smelled. So he could smell the alcohol. Oh, he's a fucking fiend with alcohol. Jesus Christ, Zoro. They beat all the Guardians? This is supposed to be our first difficult task. Super now, we have alcohol. Celebrate Jinbei joining our crew. Luffy Dono, I'm extremely grateful. Neutralization the Guardians. Jin Guardians. In an instant, thank you all. Now all the boats can breach Onigashima. Yes! We can surely count on those Straw Hats. Now that we came sooner than expected to increase our chances, don't give the enemy time to prepare. Stop, huh? Let's do it with them. The toast. The banquet. First we settle things with Kaido. Then with Big Mom and Orochi. First let's win this war. Then we'll throw the biggest banquet ever. Fucking Frankie's happy with that. Zoro's extremely happy with this decision. Roger, this would be the best sake we have ever drank. Stop, you pipsqueaks. It's Kid. We won't let anyone take off Kaido's head in our place. Isn't that right, killer? Right. Once I have his head, it'll make a nice figurine for my vessel. That's right. How dare they turn killer this jolly? Imagine if we were the Jolly Pirates. Stop that, How odd. They seem to be having a great time. Jinbei, try to beat these eyeballs in a naval race. Got it. He's on the helm. He also has a seat now around the helm, too. You can count on me. What? Hey, I can't have a barrel now? See? This is why I can't drink with you guys. Drunk. Bing, bing, bing. Don't get too far. Hey, I want more red bean soup. Please be patient. The next portion is for Big Mom. Make some more then. Woof. And what happens? Pardon? My son. Is he even gonna peek his head out? Peek his head out. This is a banquet. Search for him. Don't tell me Katakuri's here. We have described that there are theories where Big Mom and Kaido have a children, and maybe they're the top of the list, which, if anything, it'd probably be Katakuri. Katakuri would be the best illustration of the son, and I've always been behind that. I've been always backing that theory. If he's talking about Katakuri right then and there, that's a fucking great one. Master Kaido, the Flying Six are here. They demand an audience. Is that true? I want Limlin to see them first. Speaking of which, where is she? She's changing into a Kimunu. That's not how you pronounce it, but that's the best I can do. With my speech impediment and my fucking horrible English skills and reading skills, that's the best I could probably do with that. I've seen that word multiple times. I've heard it multiple times. I just can't bring it up right now. The Flying Six have arrived. Tack, 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 tack. Let them pass. Okay, give me a second. I got a theory on this. This is 9 out of 10 for the standard. We will review this Sunday. I need to look up Cyberpole 0. Maybe we'll get the full Cyberpole 0 in this next chapter. It doesn't say we're on break either, so it's not bad. CP0. My guess is the way we're seeing this, the Flying Six are the new Cyberpole 0 members, the 6 main members of Cyberpole 0. I'm guessing on the very left we have Stussy. I'm guessing in the back... Actually, I'm guessing in front is Lucci. Kaku is probably one of the ones in the back. I can't remember if have we seen any of them wear the Japanese, I would call them Japanese sandals, but I can't think of what they're called. The ones with that have the wooden bottoms on them. I don't think we've seen any of the Cyberpole 0 walk with them, because one of them, if we've seen one in the past, I wonder if at this point have we seen the Cyberpole members from the foot of the ground to the up to the top of them. Have we seen their feet, because feet up to the legs, because it always seems like they cut up from the knee from from the knees upward. If we haven't, then this is probably 6 members of Cyberpole Zero, which would probably be Rob Bellucci, Kaku, Stussy, and then 3 of the other members. Spondum, there's no way he could be in the back, but I don't think he would be here. Just because Spondum, he's basically a henchman under Rob Bellucci at this point. I guess it is one of the other 3 members. There's 7 members if you're not counting Spondum. There's 8 if you're counting him. 9 if you count Rob Bellucci's bird, but I'm guessing it's Cyberpole Zero. That'd be my guess because we got rumors that Cyberpole Zero. Oh, not rumors. We heard Drake talk about that they have seen Cyberpole Zero in Wano at this point. So it's very possible that it's very possible that these are the Cyberpole Zero. Cyberpole 9, CP9. How many members were in CP9? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 members if you count Spondum, and then the 3 extra associates that were on the train. Actually, apparently not. I didn't know they were in different CP levels. So the guy who Frankie fought, right, on the roof was actually from CP5. The giant Jerry guy that was in the back stream was from CP6. The chef is from CP7. Huh. I didn't know that. Guy Frankie fought. Does he... He has a mark next to his name. I wonder. So apparently the guy Frankie fought, we did see a picture of him, really bedridden, very hospitalized, and apparently Rob Bellucci does talk to him, say that he would return for him one day. Because they couldn't get the help from the government at that point. Huh. Okay. Oh no, that's Spondum, never mind. So where's this guy? I clicked on him. I clicked on the wrong guy. Oh, Spondum's from CP5. That's what I clicked on. So where's the other guy I was talking about earlier? Assassin Nero. Well, so Spondum has been through a lot of the CP courses. So, I really do wonder about him. I'm looking on the wiki. Wiki usually keeps up to date with stuff, which I give them the full credit of doing so. Say the chef, didn't we see him in cover story. Okay, never mind. 9 out of 10. We'll pick up this next week because I got some ideas. Oh, not next week. I mean Sunday. Sunday when it officially translates, because him talking about his kid, if his kid is gonna be there, his son, is really surprising to me, because I wonder if it's Katakuri. If it's Katakuri, then holy shit, that's awesome. But we don't know at this point. I got some ideas for the thumbnail. I'm gonna highlight over Zoro because he has some good moments here in the drawn in said manga. But other than that, I can't wait till Sunday so we can get the official translation. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I recommend subscribing to the channel to keep up with our content. Otherwise, that was One Piece chapter 977. Like I said, we'll pick it up Sunday. We'll do the full review then. But holy crap! I think that's CP0. That would be my guess. Is that CP0? 6 members of it. Because if it's the flying troop of CP0, that would make sense with Skywalk. Make a lot of sense if it's the Cypol unit with Skywalk. But the better question is why CP0 is there. And is the government actually working for the emperors of the sea? Well, weren't they in the call to the underworld call that happened on Punk Hazard? We saw a bunch of them in the call. Big Mom's crew, Kaido's crew, Kid's crew, and then it looked like Cyberpole masks on there. Otherwise, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like the video, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I recommend subscribing to the channel to keep up with all the content. Otherwise, it's been Miss Crazy signing off. Have a good morning, have a good afternoon, have a good night. Wherever you are, just have a good day. Hopefully I see you guys next video, and peace.